What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted the video. I kind of got sick. I was down and out for a while. I actually didn't work for over 2 months. But we're back. So we'll do some pretty cool videos. I actually got one car coming in here later on this week. It is hammered. I mean, there are huge dents all over this thing. So it's going to be a project for sure. So that should be a pretty cool video once we get that all set up. But today we got a special one. A friend of mine, Kevin over at KP Detailing, he has a blue Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Really sweet car. It seems like people like to climb on your car and take selfies when you're not looking. So it looks like something happened like that, where somebody was sitting on his fender or something and dented it, so he doesn't know how it happened. So we're gonna head up to his place. We're not working here today. We'll go on location to his place, see what we could do to help him out. Should be pretty cool. It's an awesome car, so it's not every day you get to work on a Lamborghini or anything like that, so that should be exciting. And then we'll do a video on that, and like I said, we'll keep these videos coming. So we're back. Hopefully you're still sticking with me, and we'll get going today and see how it turns out. Let's go. All right, as you see, we made it up here to Chester Springs here at KP Detailing. We got the vehicle here. I'll walk through it, show you the dent on the fender, and we'll start working it and see what we could do. So you can see this car is pretty sick. Love the color spec, love the wheels, the gold wheels. But in any case, let's get into the dent here. So you can see right on the top of the fender there's that little dent right over the body line. So these are aluminum fenders, so it shouldn't be difficult though. The dent's not that bad. It is over the body line, but it's not that sharp. So we shouldn't have a problem with it. We'll pop this front trunk open here and see what access we got. So let's do that first. All right, so we got the front trunk open here, and I thought what's going to have to happen is we were going to have to take off some of this trim panel or take this part out here, but as you can see where the dent is here, there's actually a nice area where we can go in right in there. It's all open, so I actually have a tool here and I went right in there just to see. You can see you could go right in there. I mean, we can touch the dent like right from there, so it's actually not going to be that bad. There's no taking trim panels off or anything. We're just going to go right in that hole and start working the dent. So let's get started. All right, we're all finished up. The dent came out really good. It was actually pretty easy. Like I said, with aluminum, it's a little tougher, and there's a paint protection film on there. That kind of made it a little weird too, like working the dent when I was pushing on it. It just made it kind of weird to see, like how hard to push it. But it came out good. We started with the rubber tip tool, worked most of the deepness out. You know, it wasn't that bad anyway, but worked most of the deepness out that way. Then took the rubber tip off and then just really fine-tuned it to get in those little low spots and took it slow. Came out nice. I'll walk you through it here. So as you can see, that body line's back to the way it should be. All looks good. As long as no one else sits on the car, Kevin should be happy with it. We'll ask him what he thinks in a minute, but all in all, I chalk this up to a win. All right, we're here with Kevin. This is his car. I thank him for letting me work on it inside today. He kind of was detailing outside, as you saw in the video, but I appreciate that. So what do you think? How did it turn out?
Yep.
Came out pretty good, right?
Yes, yes, very, very pleased.
So as long as nobody else sits on it, you should be good to go.
Yeah, hopefully I won't have to call you back again soon on the other fender. So.
Right, yeah. So.
Yeah, no, it looks outstanding. I
But,
can't thank you enough.
Cool, yeah. I appreciate you letting me work on it. Again, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe. I appreciate that, and we'll catch you on the next one.